Are your business finances ready for tax season? If not, stick around. Last time, we talked about how life changes can affect your taxes. So if you missed that, be sure to check it out. Today, we are diving into tip number 7. Tighten up your business finances and get your books in order. Why good records matter? Well, if you run a business or side hustle, good record keeping isn't just helpful. It's required. The IRS expects you to keep records that clearly show your income, expenses, payroll, and assets. In plain terms, your books should tell the financial story of your business. That way, if you ever need to back up a tax claim, you have the proof ready. The question is, what should my books look like? Here's how to keep your books tight and audit ready. Use a reliable system. Choose a consistent accounting tool like QuickBooks or Xero or a well-organized spreadsheet. Keep everything. Hold on your financial, employment, and tax records for at least 4 years. That's what the Internal Revenue Service recommends. Reconcile regularly. Make sure your numbers match your bank statements and transactions. This helps you catch errors early and keeps your books clean and compliant. When the IRS audits, they look for substantiating documentation. What does that mean? The who, where, when, what, and how behind every transaction. If your records can't answer those questions, that's when things get tricky. So, getting your books in shape now means smoother tax preparation and smarter business decision all year long. Next tip, line up your tax pro. Don't wait until the last minute. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.